Hi and welcome to SIMATIC and ET200 in Industries. This time about wastewater. I'm Kevin and with me is Ralph, professional in wastewater applications. Hi Ralph. Hello Kevin. We have now reached the last step of the process. After biological treatment, the water has been treated to such an extent that it can be returned to the natural cycle. What remains is the sewage sludge. In other words, all the components that have been filtered out of the wastewater. And this is not simply disposed of. Right. It has to be treated and reduced. The digestion towers are an important station in this process. There, the sludge is treated by anaerobic microorganisms. The resulting digester gas is then used for the plant's own energy and heat requirements. This drastically reduces energy costs. What matters in all local control systems is the perfect interaction of the measuring points, pumps, motors and the exchange of data with the central plant control system. This is where an important function of the ET200 comes into play. It speaks several languages, both Profinet, Profibus, Ethernet Fieldbus, but also ASI-Link and IO-Link are no problem. This makes it a true communication center. The SIMATIC process library enables perfect interaction with the operator, both at the SCADA system in the control room as well as on the HMI on-site. You mentioned the topic of energy generation earlier, a point that is becoming increasingly important and contributes to the cost efficiency of the plant. Of course, energy measurement modules can be used to measure at each individual consumer. The management with the energy manager can assign the consumption to each individual component and each process unit. Key figures are generated according to DWA 216. Convincing in all points, with comprehensive concepts, to save time and effort, ensure consistent reporting, and to keep an eye on the efficiency of the plant.